Let's talk about Klevu product recommendations. This is a tool that allows you to inject recommendation sets across the website in particular places, and you can control what products are shown there. Now, this is fairly different in implementation than Adobe product recommendations. The Adobe product recommendations are more fix it and forget it. Like, you have a little bit of control, but it's not as much, and you're also limited to the number of recommendations that you can actually inject, like actual locations on the website. I would say Klevu is slightly more of a manual process to add these recommendations into the flow of your website, but you have a lot more control over where they're injected, how they look. You as a store manager, store owner, have this type of control. So there's a couple of things that we need to talk about, and I'm gonna walk you through what does it take to create a new recommendation, how to inject this into the website, as well as using the recommendation template tool. So there's a lot we're gonna talk about here, but the first and foremost thing we have to take a quick look at is how to enable this. So stores, configuration, you're probably used to this by now. Come down to Klevu search configuration, default store view. We're gonna drop all the way down here to smart recommendations. Set this to be yes. Again, they want the metadata to be on. We already covered this in a previous video, but make sure the metadata is on at this point. Now, it looks like this when it's injected into a page, and we're going to walk through what does it take to inject it. So we have not many products listed here, but we do have our search shown here at the bottom of the page, and we can click add to cart on if we want any one of these, or we can customize how it looks. One thing to note is that this is compatible with Adobe Live product recommendations. And honestly, I don't know if there's really much value in having both of them together on the website. If you're going to use Klevu and going that route and invest in your website like that, I would suggest just going Klevu all the way as opposed to trying to mix and match. I haven't really seen any functionality that Adobe product recommendations has that Klevu doesn't. So go on one route or the other route, stick with it and utilize it to its fullest capacity. And I'm going to show you in our next videos how to actually do that. So let's take a look at that.